How to set the date on the Invicta Pro Diver 42914. Alright, so in order to do that, you want to make sure that the hands are at the midnight position, or 12. And you want to do that by pulling this out. Okay. Pull it all the way out. Okay, now you can adjust the hand. So you want to make sure that it's at the 12, and then you're going to go keep doing this until you get to the 6:30 mark. Okay. Now this is per the instructions in Invicta, so this will work. That way it won't mess up the date mechanism. Okay, so we're going to keep going until we get to the 6:30 mark. Okay, now we're in the 6:30 mark, and then what we're going to do is we're going to push this in just one time. So it's all the way out right now. We just want to do it one time. So you're on the second position. If that's the first position, you want to be in the second position. Okay, so now you're in that middle position. You're just going to go until you have your date that you want. Okay, so now that your date is set, now you can pull it all the way out, and you can set your hands to where you need them to be. So go back to my time here. So this is my time at the moment. And we can just push that back in, and we'll push this button here to get it back into running position. There you go. That's how you set your date on the Invicta Pro Diver. Okay, let me know if that was helpful to you. If you want to check out another video regarding how to change the battery, or how to undo the crown when you first get the watch, go check out one of my videos here. Leave me some comments. Consider subscribing to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.